Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can hide pins on Pinterest. So to begin with, choose the pin that you would like to hide from your home feed. So let's say I do not like this one. Touch and hold onto the pin, and as you can see this, do not let your finger go. First and foremost, as you can see, this little icons and options appear. Just drag your finger onto this little crossed eye that says hide. Specify the reason that you would like to hide this post because, and then just, the respective pin gets hidden like that. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.